Welcome back to Spiritual Meanings. We're so glad you're here. Whether you're returning or joining us for the first time, welcome to the Spiritual Meanings family, where we explore the unseen, the sacred, and the symbols that shape our soul's journey. We are on a mission to reach 2,000 beautiful subscribers and build the most heart-centered, awakened community on the web. If you're part of this tribe, know that you are deeply appreciated. Your comments, shares, and presence mean the world. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. So thank you, and always feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments throughout this video. We're here to learn, reflect, and grow together. Today's topic is all about the mirror reality, and we're going much deeper than the blog. Here's one, the hidden gateway you see every day. What if I told you the most powerful spiritual tool in your home is the mirror? Not for beauty, but for truth. Every time you look into it, you're staring directly into the soul's reflection chamber. Not just your face, but your story, your echoes, and everything you project outward. 2. The folk legend of the water mirror. In ancient Japan, there was a tale of a monk who meditated beside a silent pond for 30 years. They said the water became so clear, it began to reflect not just the body, but karma itself. People would travel for days to gaze into it, and what they saw often changed their lives. The mirror doesn't lie. Mirrors have no opinion. They don't flatter or distort, they just reveal. So when the world is showing you pain, betrayal, or beauty, it might not be personal. It's informational. Something within is ready to be seen. So do I cast follow some people? Ever notice someone always seems to attract drama? Here's a truth. Unresolved inner chaos creates ripples in the outer world. It's not a punishment. It's a reflection mechanism designed by life itself to bring healing to the surface. And the whispering forests of old Europe. There's an old tale from the Black Forest in Germany. Travelers said the trees whispered secrets when people walked by, but they only spoke the truth buried deep in one's heart. Some left laughing. Others left crying. The forest, like a mirror, only reflected what lived inside you all along. Attraction is a reflection game. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. That's why gratitude breeds more abundance, while insecurity breeds more doubt. This is more than just law of attraction, it's law of reflection. 7. A mirror to the ancestors. In many African and Caribbean cultures, mirrors were believed to be portals to the ancestral realm. They were placed near doorways, or even buried with loved ones. Because reflection wasn't just personal, it was ancestral. The dream mirror. Dreams are often overlooked, but they are some of the most honest mirrors we have. What you can't admit in daylight, the dream world delivers in symbols. Write them down. Study the patterns. They are a mirror through time. 9. Why children mirror so strongly. Have you noticed how children imitate not just actions, but emotions? That's because they're operating as open, living mirrors. If you're calm, they become calm. If you're anxious, they mirror that too. It's innocent but powerful. No10. Breaking the mirror curse. Some traditions speak of mirror curses, where people are stuck seeing their trauma repeated again and again. But the curse isn't in the mirror. It's in the refusal to look. Healing begins when you choose to see and keep seeing until love takes over. 11. The river that spoke in symbols. Long ago, a tribe in South America believed the river could speak to those who watched it at sunset. They said the ripples would show images, lost memories, ancestral pain, or even visions of the future. Again, a mirror. A living oracle. 12. How to use the mirror to heal. If you're feeling stuck, sit with a mirror. Light a candle. Breathe deeply. Ask yourself, not your ego, what needs to be seen. Watch your own eyes. Stay present. You may cry. You may laugh. But you will begin to shift. 13. Social media mirrors. Let's not forget, social media is a mirror too. What you see, follow, or judge says more about your vibration than the content itself. Curate your digital reflection with the same care you would curate your altar. 14. The mirror is not always kind. This is important. The mirror doesn't reflect what's good or bad, it reflects what is. If you feel triggered, pause. What's it showing you? Shame? Fear? Desire? This isn't to hurt you, it's to free you. 15. You are the mirror, the light, and the observer. Here's the deepest truth. You are not just the one being reflected. You are the reflection, the light source, and the one who sees. That's the Trinity. When you remember this, the world no longer controls your emotions. You do. We covered a lot today. If something stood out, share it in the comments. If a story touched you, drop it in the chat. If you've had a moment where life mirrored something deep within you, tell us. This is a community of mirrors, and we grow by reflecting one another's light. If you found value today, give this video a like, share it with someone on their journey, and don't forget to subscribe. Your voice matters here. Your presence is felt. And until next time, keep your mirrors clean, your heart open, and your soul tuned to the highest reflection. See you soon on Spiritual Meanings.